When you think of Penske Automotive Group, several things immediately come to mind. Huge, professional, successful, and they're all true. But they wouldn't be any of those things without their employees.
What really makes me feel good is that the way they've been such a big company, how well they take care of the employees.
They care about their employees. They have rewarded me financially, mentally, and over the years.
This place is always focused on satisfaction of employees.
The P in PAG stands for Penske, but it also refers to professionalism.
Penske organization is extremely professional environment. Comparing them to another dealership, they just hands down are extremely professional. They're all about the customer.
Customer care is more important than actually a bunch of cars being sold. The respect, the way you treat your customers.
When you're looking for a company to work for, two of the most important things are one, to enjoy what you do, and two, to get along with the people you work with. Well, here at Penske Automotive Group, they're like one big happy family. Just ask them.
My work environment I love. We're like a big family here. Everyone actually looks out for each other.
It almost becomes like a family here that the time that you're here.
It's like a big family here. I love it. I just love it.
Most of what I like working here is that we're just like a family. This is just like a family all the time we spend together.
My coworkers, they're like my family. They're my second family. They're all my kids. I pull them under my wing. When I see they're having a fault with something, I go out of my way, or I find a buddy for them to buddy up with to make it better for them.
And at Penske, a good team equals a great working environment.
The atmosphere is outstanding. I mean, we spend a lot of hours in this dealership, and in order for you to get results, you also have to have fun, and you also have to get along with your coworkers.
Work environment's fantastic. Clean shops, well stocked with decent tools to get the job done, and any type of help we need from the parts department or sales or anything like that, they're there for you.
Speaking of being there for you, the Penske organization is known for its incredible structure and helpful management staff.
We have leaders on our floor, and they're always there for us, and then the top management is really nice. They always greet you by your name, and they always greet you with a smile.
You know, they're really here designed to help you as far as growing and developing your own skills that you have within you.
We get a lot of support from management here, lots of support. Anything we need, the doors are always open.
In order for a company to be successful, the employees have to be trained for success, and Penske provides the best training around.
Central Florida Toyota has a lot of opportunity for training. We do some in-house training. We have classes, seminars we have to go to twice a year that they send us to.
They will educate you. I've been to school quite a bit. In the 5 years that I've been with Toyota, I've been through all the classes. They try to keep you up to date on everything as much as possible.
Training is just one of the benefits you get for working at Penske Automotive Group, but the others are just as good or better.
I have all the possible benefits that one can be given in any other company can think of. 401k, medical, plus a lot of investment in the company, etc.
You know, if you're in a problem and you need a loan, it's right there for you. We have visual, we have dental, we have health benefits, and it's affordable, so it's really good.
The 401k program is awesome to have here. I've been here for 9 years. It's good to have money put away for your future later on. Insurance plans as well too, dental, health care, demo, get a car to drive around town, stuff too. It's pretty nice.
Compared to other places that I've worked, there is very good benefits. The 401k plan is excellent. What I like about it is that you have the ability to invest into the company, you know, which is a good return because now you feel like you're part of the company more than just a individual that show up for work.
Penske's primary goal is to keep their employees happy. That means they're very accommodating and flexible with their schedules.
For myself personally, I've been able to have a family and raise a family. My hours have been very flexible. I've still been able to go up the chain and better my career and make it to the top, if you will.
They're very flexible. They accommodate your needs. If you have a situation, an emergency, they really help you a lot, and they understand. They're very understanding.
Penske Automotive Group has grown dramatically in the last 10 years and will continue to grow. But the one thing they have always believed in is promoting from within.
They definitely want to promote within the company, whether it's relocating to another store for position or you're here in your local dealership. They're really based off of their employees instead of bringing people from outside of their company.
If you're ambitious and you work hard, you're honest, you do have a very good opportunity to move up in a company from either be from the bottom floor all the way up to the top floor. You know, all depends on where you want to go in your future.
Truly unlimited. It depends on you and how aggressive you are, and you just have to prove yourself to the company.
And many Penske's employees at the local dealership have proven themselves. Here are just a few that started at the bottom.
I started off washing cars, and now as a sales manager, they've done a lot for me.
I started as a receptionist and gone, you know, came up to office manager, and then now I'm writing estimates and doing stuff I never would have dreamed of doing before.
Sky's is the limit. That's what the way we see it here. You know, you can be all you can be. As much as you want, it's opportunities to grow in this business, especially in this company. It comes, especially I started as a porter, selling cars, and now as a manager.
If you're considering a career change into the car business, don't worry, you're not alone. And you'll hear for yourself, it doesn't matter what background you come from either.
It's like comparing apples and oranges. I was in the electronics field in the past, and now I'm in the car business.
You don't have to be any brain cell therapist to start a job like this. They're always training, there's always training, and they're always respectful as far as management, and they're always helping you to move on. Because if you succeed, I guess they succeed too.
So with 5 stores currently operating in Florida and 4 more already planned to open within the next couple years, Penske Automotive Group can provide you with more than just a job. This really can be a long-term career with unlimited potential.
It's just been a really good experience here, and I don't see myself going anywhere but up.
Working for the Penske Group is such a good company, I plan to retire here.
It's the best thing that ever happened to me.
It's a nice place to work, it really is. You know, I would recommend it to anyone.